Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. So today we're going to do this song, and it's an action song, so I won't even need the guitar today. Alright, so we're going to do Hammer, 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 and I know that a lot of you guys know how to do this song. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is, can everyone say hammer, hammer, hammer? Shake, shake, shake. Twirl, twirl, twirl. And clap, clap, clap. That's great. Right. And now we're going to do that one. We're going to do that in the loudest voice that you can use. The loudest voice. Because normally you can't do loud voices inside. But today I'm letting you do that. Alright? So you're going to do it in a loud voice. And then we're going to whisper it. Then we're going to do it in Te Reo Māori and Ngāngana Samoa, so Te Reo Samoan. And then we're going to do a baby voice. And then we're going to do no voice. Alright, so you ready? Right, here we go. Better sit right so you can see me. Right, ready to yell? Okay, here we go. Hammer, hammer, hammer. Shake, shake, shake. Twirl, 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 and clap, clap, clap. Now we have to do a whisper voice. Hammer, hammer, hammer. Shake, shake, shake. Twirl, 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 and clap, clap, clap. Right, now we're going to do it in Te Reo Māori, all right? And we're going to do a normal voice, so how you normally speak. All right, here we go. Patu. Patu, patu, patu. Wiri, 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 wiri. Hooty, 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 hooty. Paki, 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 paki. Right, we're going to do Ngāngana Samoa now. Are you ready? Pa'o, 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 pa'o. Lulu, 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 lulu. Ta'avili, 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 ta'avili. Pati, 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 pati. Really great. Now we're going to do it in a baby voice, but you have to get your two little fingers. See the little one? You got your whole hand like that? You got to put all the fingers down and just have the two little pinky fingers on the ends of your hand. See, up. And we're going to do, let's just say, I don't really know that babies can talk, little babies can talk, but let's use a baby voice if we think about what they sound like, all right? And we've got to use our little fingers. Here we go. Hammer, hammer, hammer. Shake, shake, shake. Twirl, twirl, twirl. And clap, clap, clap. Very great. And now we're not going to use any of our voice, all right? Turi, turi. Tua waha. Tāhua, ka rawe, great, you guys are finished, so awesome. Have a great day today, and ka kite anō a popo. I'll see you again tomorrow. Ka kite anō.